most people think that learning Welsh has to take years. You probably think that yourself, because it's not just learners who believe it, most tutors believe it as well. It's a belief that has led to entire courses being built on the expectation that it will take years before the learners speak Welsh. And this belief is based on a dreadful misunderstanding. Now, people who see through this misunderstanding can become conversationally confident Welsh speakers in 6 months, or 3 months, or sometimes even less. And yes, I can and will show you videos of people who've done exactly that, or you can talk to them yourself on our forum. But the misunderstanding is so deeply accepted, so automatically believed, that when I tell you what it is, your first instinct will be to tell me I'm wrong. And yet I've witnessed for myself over and over again in the last 9 years running SaySomethingInWelsh.com, working with thousands of Welsh learners, that when you see through this misunderstanding, you're left with just 3 things to do in order to become a Welsh speaker, and those 3 things can happen very quickly. So here it is, the dreadful misunderstanding. People believe that you have to, that you must, understand grammar before you can speak Welsh. Most of the time on ordinary Welsh courses is spent trying to make sure that the learners understand grammar. And that's why it takes them years before they can speak. Tragically, it is a complete waste of everybody's time. You do not need to understand grammar in order to speak Welsh. Let go of it. Oh, sure, if you enjoy learning about grammar, go for it. But why not do it after you become a confident Welsh speaker? On the other hand, if the thought of grammar gives you goosebumps, please take this video as permission not to worry about it ever again. So why don't you need to understand grammar? It's because your brain is naturally brilliant at pattern recognition. Every time it sees 2 words fitting together, it remembers a bit about that pairing, and once you've shown it enough pairs, it will not only remember them, it will start to predict other pairs. That is literally all you need to start speaking confidently. So once you let go of the idea of needing to understand grammar, you're free to start learning remarkably quickly by focusing on the 3 core exercises that actually turn you into a Welsh speaker. But there's a catch. Even once you get rid of all the time wasted on grammar, Welsh learning is still riddled with dead ends, things that don't actually help make you a speaker as soon as possible. You know the kind of stuff I'm talking about. Quizzes, crosswords, learning lists of words, filling the blanks in sentences, all the dozens and dozens of different things that tutors think make it more fun. You don't need any of them. You don't need to understand grammar, and you don't need to spend hours on dozens of different fun activities. You don't need to spend years learning Welsh. You just need to focus relentlessly on the 3 core exercises. I'll tell you exactly what they are in my next video. The link to the next video is just there in the description.